Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What is it, YouTube? How you guys doing? It's on the trader, and today's Saturday, and Saturday the 10th, January 2026. And today we're just gonna analyze the GBP CHF chart on every time frame and understand it. What is it gonna do for next week and things like that. And yeah, man, just understand the chart better. All right, guys, as you can see, this is GBP CHF. GBP CHF, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes. And we are in a 1 hour, right? So let's go on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, you can see there's a support down here at the zone. There's a support right here too. Like, this was I'm not sure what it did there, but it had a support previously here. Then it stopped out a lot of the traders here at the bottom right here, right? And these traders that had the stop loss below here trying to buy, it came back down and stopped them out, and now so it can continue make the move it wants to make, right? And yeah, you can see there's a support, and I have supports here that's for the lower time frames as well. And yeah, you can see on the 4 hour it is reversing, and this candle is reversing as well. So this is the 1 hour chart. This is what it looks like. As you guys can see, it is still very bullish. It is looking bullish here on the 1 hour chart. And the reason why I marked it like this is because it doesn't get very confusing, right? So this is the 15 minute. On the 15 minute, it looks a little bit better. And yeah, you can see right here there's a support. Let me add this right here. There's a support right here. And yeah, this right here is a support as well. I marked it because this wick came back here and it went bullish. That means this zone, this area right here is very bullish. And then it came back down here again. And on Friday, this is what it did. It closed with this beautiful bullish candle. So the way I see it is once the market opens tomorrow afternoon, it will continue to fill this gap. It will fill it up. And looking on 5 minute, yeah, you can see the same thing. It closed bullish above all these candles right here. 15 minute, it closed bullish above all these candles. So that means this is definitely bullish. And in the way I see it, this is definitely bullish. Yeah, definitely bullish. And yeah, I be marking it a lot. And let's look at USD CHF, right? Oh yeah, I marked USD CHF as well because USD CHF was already going up. It did stop me out last week because I got in too early, and I got in at the top, which was a bad idea. You know, I should have waited. Oh, sorry. I should have waited until it came back down here and took the entry. Could have been in a beautiful entry right now, but I didn't wait, and that's the reason why it stopped me out. But this trade is still looking bullish because this candle right here, as you can see, this big green candle closed above all these right here, and this candle, I'm just waiting for it to maybe come back and hit this line, and then take this entry, and then, you know, stop loss below here and take the entry all the way to up here to the target area, right? So this is what the 15 minute looks like. 15 minute, yeah, so on the 15 minute, this is definitely the support zone. As you can see, it hit the support zone, it came back up and came back down again, then move up, it started moving up. So as you guys can see, it is definitely bullish. USD CHF is bullish. It's very bullish. And if it can keep up the momentum, if it can keep that up, this will be definitely a beautiful trade for next week. Yeah, it will definitely be a beautiful trade. Oh yeah, and I have GBP AUD marked up as well. I'm not gonna take every entries, but I'll take the best entry. The entry that looks the best, that plays the best, that's the entry I'll take. That's how I do it. And that's how, you know, I just want to be more patient with it. So yeah, and on GBP odd, you can see this red candles closing below. It's making lows. That means the market is very bearish. And yeah, I marked this here because lower, it made a low, then it came here, make a lower low, break below this low right here, break below it, then now it's gonna make a up. It's gonna come up here to push down further. If the market doesn't reverse, if it doesn't reverse right here, because there's times it might reverse and then, you know, stop you out and then make the move, or there's times it might just move and continue like another direction, right? So on the 15-minute, you can see, yeah, it break below, it made a low. Like I said, this right here is lower than this one, so that means it wants to continue down. This is a previous support, is now becoming resistance, so that means once it hit this zone, this trade can definitely be taken and continue down, right? And let's see, CAD-CHF, I was looking at it, and yeah, it looks very different. And yeah, it's breaking below this, which was the previous support. It wants to break below it. As you can see, it made a low. Yeah, made a low, and just want to catch the entry because it kept going down. It kept making a lot of push down. And let's look at the 15-minute. Yeah, so yeah, this right here is lower than this right here, so that means, and that's why I got this marked up. Maybe, yeah, just gotta wait. Stop loss can be above here a little bit, above it, and just gotta wait. And Euro GBP, there's times I trade it, there's times I don't even look at it. But yeah, when you see it, it is very bullish because this candle hit this support area, then this candle closed bullish again, green, and this candle is going up green. That means we are looking bullish, right? And yeah, so this is the resistance zone. I see it going up to this resistance zone because this was right here. Ever since here, it became a resistance. You can see this wick, and then it closed red, and then it kept going down. Then it's now want to make it back up, maybe come back here again. And yeah, on the 15-minute, it's looking bullish as well. 5-minute, same thing. Euro CHF. Let's see, 4-hour. Yeah, you can see there's a lot of support at the bottom. Support here, support here, support here. And it break above this resistance that was up here, which means, yeah, we're definitely looking bullish right here. Very, very bullish. And yeah, let me mark this here. Yeah, it's looking very bullish. And yeah, so this resistance, that's the reason why I put it to this resistance. This right here is a resistance as well. And this resistance right here, it can go and break all these resistance, which is this right here, the main resistance zone, which it can go all the way up to. I sound tired, man. I know I'm very tired, but you know. And yeah, so this candle is closing very bullish, and it closed bullish, you know. Friday closed bullish, it closed above all these candles. That means we are looking for bullish entries for next week. So there's a lot of trades that are looking good for next week. Let's see, odd-CAD. Oh yeah, I marked odd-CAD as well because yeah, it did make a double bottom. There's a big support at the bottom right here, and they break above this resistance. This right here was a resistance because every time it hit it right here, then it hit it right here, and then it went down. But then it broke above it. Now just looking for it to, if it's not a fake out, we're just gonna wait and then see what the next candle does. And then once the next candle start making bullish movements, can take this all the way up here. And 15-minute chart, yeah, like I said, you just gotta wait for it to come back here. Just gotta wait for it to come here and then come back here. Hold on, let me see. Let me add it up real quick. Yeah, arrow. Just gotta wait for it to hit this zone. then trying to make its way up. And yeah, that's it, man. That's what I wanted to show you guys, man, for next week. And like I said, I'll be keeping a lookout for these trades for tomorrow and see what's going on, and Monday as well. I'm gonna keep looking out for Monday and see what the market is doing, because I want to catch some good setup in the market. I don't want to take, you know, entries that are not good. I want to take good entries, and that's the reason why I'm gonna keep my eye on all of them and see which one I really want to take, the best setup, which of the setups I want to take, and yeah, and continue, man. Yeah, that's all I had to say for this video, man. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.